Practicing for the season, crossover.
What are you trying to do?
Play tennis, behind the back.
That is not the right way. Let's have tennis teach you how it's done.
Let's bring them out there.
Oh, here they are. It's so little. Look, it's running.
Boys on the tennis team are Jesse Leachman, Chris Chimani, Sean Tang, Track Bowie, Chris Tran, Kevin Ha, Kevin Tran, Josh Drum, and Hal Lam.
Okay. We have game 2, let's go! 1, 2, 3, soda!
Wow, some little people.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
I'm tired already.
How are you tired? You just started.
I know some girls that can swim with you.
Let's bring out the girls' swim team.
Girls on the swim team are McKenna Ammon, Peyton Ammon, Abigail Blackburn, Sarah Bosman, Alexa Cordova, Brittany Crawford, Tori Creed, Danny Creed, Tyler Fernandez, Audrey Hung, Needy Lamb, Megan Myers, Linda Moncada, Quinn DeWitt, Hannah Peralta, Elizabeth Salgado, Mary Schneider, Jesselyn Bowe, Clarissa Wolin.
Hey guys, we started off the season pretty well. We had our league meet, not a league meet. We had a meet yesterday against Estancia, and we won. We did really well. So please come out and support. We have Los Relays tomorrow at Los Amigos High School. We're gonna do really well, so please be out there and watch us. Thank you.
Where's Mega Beats? That's all I want.